So I bought my RV. Hey everybody. No. Bought my RV a year ago. It had these cheap ass AutoZone batteries in them. And they're small. And there's a lot better batteries out there, but I think they're still working fine. I tested them like a year ago, so I'm just going with them. So now just need to know how much length I need to go positive, negative, right here, down about a foot, over, and then up about 3 feet. Okay, so this is perfect. I'm going to cut my wire right about here. So these giant spools of wire, and they're for another project. And to not waste it, and to have enough for both projects. Yeah. Make myself just enough room, and then this will be the path of travel for the solar controller that's going right there to the battery. Need a bigger hole. Can the hero save the day? Oh yeah. Oh, the hero saves the day. I found this awesome hole auger in my toolbox, because a traditional hole saw, once you make a hole, it's really hard to make another one that's bigger. Sweet. All right, I'm going back down. Oh, what a mess. Oh, I can't take it. I'm going to vacuum first. Outside with me, and the wires are coming through. Keep an eye out. Okay, these two start battery, we'll tie them in a knot. So. Okay, that's gonna go. It's gonna need to be that long. This is gonna need to. This already has a predetermined length. Is that much? This has a positive lead from the solar panel right now. I took off that tape to slip it through the hole. So now I'm going to retape that. Don't want any power leaking, and also it's going to be my reminder. You always hook up the charge controller first to the battery, then to the solar panel, and in reverse when you unhook it. Okay, so that's about that much. So now my wires for the other side can come right up through here. My wires from the other side can come back up to the battery. They're gonna go right there, and I don't need to hook them up now. No, I want to. I'm gonna wait.